Dumanjug right now, and we will be eating our lunch here. Are you familiar with TUSLOB BUWA? Then this is what we are going to eat right now. Hey, Brother Louie.
Do you love me?
Spicy TUSLOB BUWA.
What is the TUSLOB BUWA?
It's dipping bubble. Dipping in bubbles. Dip in bubbles.
Where did you first eat TUSLOB BUWA?
In Azul.
TUSLOB BUWA is made from
Pig's brain? Yeah. Pig's brain, no? Ni, si Marty. Siya di.
Kuya, saan niya mo ang gikaon dire nga TUSLOB BUWA? O sa ingredients? Utok sa tao? Utok sa baboy yun niya ginaling.
Diba? Utok sa baboy.
We're done. Ada na to?
Paano lang pa? Ragod to.
君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実するモード
TUSLOB BUWA is just right over there, and then there's a beach at the back of that. And yeah, special guest, classmate, KJ Sulijon. Go. That's it for today. Busog. Thank you so much, Dumanjug, for your very delicious TUSLOB BUWA. And if you guys wanna eat TUSLOB BUWA here in Dumanjug, you can just locate it near their gymnasium. Yeah, just right across the church. Right there. The church is right there. And yep, it's very affordable. 50 pesos per set only. So what we had was like 2 sets, good for 2 persons. So yeah, it was super lami.